Battle of Stalingrad, a decisive turning point on the Eastern Front. 1. Introduction. The Battle of Stalingrad, lasting from August 1942 to February 1943, was one of the most pivotal and brutal confrontations of World War II. Fought in and around the Soviet city of Stalingrad, now Volgograd, this battle marked a crucial turning point on the Eastern Front. It not only halted the German advance into the Soviet Union, but also signaled a shift in momentum towards the Soviet forces, setting the stage for the subsequent Soviet offensives. 2. Timeline of key events. August 1942. German forces begin their assault on Stalingrad. November 1942. Operation Uranus, the Soviet counter-offensive, is launched. February 1943. German forces in Stalingrad surrender, ending the battle. 3. Strategic importance. Stopping the German advance. The battle was Germany's first major defeat in a series of invasions in the Soviet Union, halting their eastward expansion. Psychological impact. The Soviet victory at Stalingrad dealt a severe blow to German morale and was a significant psychological boost for the Allied forces. Resource drain for Germany. The German Sixth Army, one of the most formidable units of the Wehrmacht, was effectively destroyed in the battle. 4. Humanitarian and military aspects. High casualties. Stalingrad was one of the deadliest battles in history, with massive civilian and military casualties on both sides. Urban warfare. The battle is noted for its brutal urban warfare, with fierce hand-to-hand combat within the city's ruined streets and buildings. Soviet resilience and tactics. The tenacity of the Soviet defense, combined with strategic encirclement tactics in Operation Uranus, were key to their success. V. Role of leadership. Soviet command. Leaders like Generals Vasily Chuikov and Georgy Zhukov were instrumental in orchestrating the defense and counter-offensive. German command. Field Marshal Friedrich Paulus led the German Sixth Army, ultimately capitulating to the Soviets, a decision contrary to Hitler's orders. The 6th. Aftermath and legacy. Shift in war dynamics. The victory at Stalingrad was a turning point in the war on the Eastern Front, leading to a series of Soviet offensives pushing German forces westward. Symbol of Soviet endurance. The battle became a symbol of Soviet resilience and determination, significantly bolstering the Allied morale. Historical and cultural impact. Stalingrad has been extensively studied in military history and is memorialized in literature, film, and monuments as a symbol of heroic resistance and sacrifice. 7. Conclusion. The Battle of Stalingrad stands as a monumental event in World War II, not only for its sheer scale and ferocity, but for its decisive impact on the outcome of the war. It remains a poignant reminder of the horrors of war, the resilience of soldiers and civilians, and the strategic shifts that can alter the course of history.